Which quotation from the interviews best illustrates the journalist's claim? Art collectives, like the United States and Vietnam-based collective, the Propeller Group, or Cuba's Los Carpinteros, are groups of artists who agreed to work together, perhaps for stylistic reasons, or to advance certain shared political ideals, or to help mitigate the cost of supplies and studio space. Regardless of the reasons, art collectives usually involve some collaboration among the artists. Based on a recent series of interviews with various art collectives, an art journalist claimed that this can be difficult for artists who are often used to having sole control over their work. So the claim here is that art collectives can be difficult for artists who are used to having sole control over their work. Option A says, the first collective I joined included many amazingly talented artists, and we enjoyed each other's company, but because we had a hard time sharing credit and responsibility for our work, the collective didn't last. This seems to be correct because it best illustrates the journalist's claim, which is that art collectives can be difficult for artists who are used to having sole control of their work. And it shows this by saying that they had a hard time sharing credit and responsibility for their work. So A seems to be correct. B. We work together, but that doesn't mean that individual projects are equally the work of all of us. Many of our projects are primarily the responsibility of whoever originally proposed the work to the group. So this is incorrect because it doesn't show how art collectives can be difficult for artists who have sole control, who used to having sole control over their work. So B is incorrect. C. Having worked as a member of a collective for several years, it's sometimes hard to recall what it was like to work alone without the collective support. But that support encourages my individual expression rather than limits it. This is incorrect because it shows how art collective makes it easier to work, rather than showing how art collectives can be difficult for artists who are used to having sole control over their work. So C is incorrect. D. Sometimes an artist from outside the collective will choose to collaborate with us on a project, but all of those projects fit within the larger themes of the work the collective does on its own. This is incorrect because it doesn't, like B and C, it doesn't show how art collectives can be difficult for artists who are used to having sole control over their work. So D is incorrect, meaning the correct choice is A.